Hey guys, wanted to show you a wire attack kit we have. The bed of nails have been around for quite a while, probably 15 years or so. But they always had a knob right here, so you actually had to get access to the wire to be able to place it on it and clamp it down. What we've done is added an extension that will fit onto the attachment, and you can come back here, open it up, clamp down on your wire, and then eject it. So there's a couple different parts. We'll go ahead and show you in use. So thought about making a device and sticking a GoPro in a box, and decided that would probably not be a very effective idea. So I'm going to clamp down my first one. I can go ahead and eject it. Pull out another one here. Plug it into our trusty fluke. It's not actually plugged into a fluke right now. Demonstration purposes only. Alright. Turn clockwise. Make sure it's open. You can reach out. Get it on that wire. Go ahead and clamp down. Good and tight. Eject it off. Alright, now, fun part, we've got a cutter. Cutter has a little plunger inside there. I'm going to attach it on. And the plunger, so you can see that, just will come out and cut. So I can come out here and cut in between the two and go ahead and get my readings, separate, shunt, whatever, as needed. Hey, something else to show you here is the this XP4. So it's another version, but it's got two sets of bed of nails inside there, and then there's some internal circuitry hooked up to the that LED right there, so you know whenever you've got a good connection. So we've got a little adapter, so same deal, just fits on the end of our extension. Grab our wire here, and whenever we clamp down on it, we're going to be able to tell. So LED is off, and as we clamp down, we get continuity, and the LED lights up. So we know without having to hook a second bed of nails on there that we've got a definite connection. We can go ahead and eject it, hook on another one to take our measurements.